Welcome to Bohne Spring Industries, where we have been supplying precision mechanical springs and wire forms since 1941. Using some of the latest computerized and high-speed production equipment, together with a knowledgeable and capable staff, Bohne Spring is able to offer the quality and price our customers expect. Through numerous expansions, Bohne Spring continues in its efforts to be a more complete service company able to supply all of your spring requirements. We offer full grinding capability for compression springs requiring ground ends. CNC capability provides our customers with optimal design, flexibility, accuracy, and repeatability. The primary industries that we serve include the aircraft, appliance, automotive, business machines, consumer goods, defense, and telecommunications industries. We are proud to be a Canadian company, and we look forward to the future with pride and confidence. Please let us know if we can be of further assistance with any of your spring designs or spring requirements. So visit our website or give us a call, and one of our technical sales representatives would be happy to hear from you.